how to create a drop down menu in Shopify step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create drop down menu in your Shopify store. Now, drop down menu makes your store easier to navigate, look more professional, and it helps your customer to find your product in a faster way. Now, especially if you have a multiple collection or categories, you can use this drop down menu. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is head over to your Shopify dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard. Now, what I have to do is to add a drop down menu. First, in the left side, first I have to set up a menu. Now, click on the content to set up your menu. Now, go into menus. Now, then you have to choose main menu. Now click on it. Now, as you can see in the main menu, I have home, catalog and contacts. So I'll just delete this catalog first. Now I will add menu. The name is then instead of main menu, I will add this shop or my shop. So I will add this thing. First, I will add shop. Then I will click on this collections. I will choose homepage. Now let's add subcategories over here. So let's add item. Now first I will add, what I'm going to do is just do a collection. So instead of choosing homepage, you can choose your whole product page. Click on this all product. So you can, whenever someone click on the shop, it will take you to all products. Now I will add collection one. This is the subcategory of the shop. Just so I have created two collection. First is collection one and collection two. So these are like collections. Into that collection, we will create one more nested collection product detail. So like I will choose this collection one, and then I will add one more thing, which is collection two. Now let's link this collection with this collection number two. So we have added. Now what I'm going to do is just drag this into this shop. You have to pick this uh, and you have to drag like this. So it will create the shops like two menus, two sub menus. So as you can see, we have created collection one and collection two. These are the two sub collections. Now click on the save. Now, whenever someone clicks on the shop, it will give you collection one and collection two. So whenever someone clicks on the collection one, it will take that user to collection one. Now let's add a nested sub menu into the collection one. So let's say I'm adding two products, yoga product. Now I will link this product with my product. Now I'm just adding some random product here, and then I will add this fitness product. Now I will link this product with this browser. Now save it. So as you can see, we have created these four sub menus. Now what I'm going to do is I will drag this into the collection one. So it will make sub menu of collection one. So it's a very good thing. Wait, I will drag this to uh, okay, so we have added. Now let's add the sub menu for the collection 2 as well. Now I will add gym product. You can add or create a different type of collection to just give more easiness to your user. Now go to collection. No, go to into collection. Go to product. Link your main product, and again I will add one more product, which is uh, let's say running shoes. Running shoes. Link our product this. and then save. And then what you can do is you can drag this product into collection 2. So it will make the sub menu of collection 2, as you can see here. And then click on the save button. So the menu has been updated successfully. So let's check it out if it is working or not. Go into your home page and go to your online store. Now go to your themes and then click on this customize option. Let's see if we have or not. Okay, we have shop, and into that we have this collection 1, collection 2. There's some subcategories. I don't need to create or link the this. So it's like I have created this collection 1 and collection 2 is just unlinked these products. Now let's go to our products. When I click on the shop, it will take me to all product, as you can see here. When I click on this running shoes, it will take to this product which I have linked with that label. So this is how you can create drop down menu. So as you can see, this is how it works. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.